In which month are which trees planted? The timing for planting trees can vary depending on the species of tree and the climate of the region. In general, the best time to plant trees is during the dormant season, which is typically in the fall or early spring when the weather is cool and there is less chance of drought or extreme heat. Deciduous trees, such as oak, maple, and birch, are typically planted in the fall after the leaves have dropped or in early spring before new growth begins. Coniferous trees, such as pine, spruce, and fir, are also typically planted in the fall or early spring, but can also be planted in the late winter or early summer. Fruit trees, such as apple, peach, and cherry, are typically planted in the late winter or early spring before bud break. It's important to research the specific tree species you plan to plant and consult with local experts or nurseries to determine the best time to plant in your specific region.